Hi, hello, welcome to BEL English. Today we are looking at an opportunity provided by one of our world's reputed company, Google. Yes, you heard it right. You are looking at an opportunity provided by Google for its software team. So this is an opening for freshers. So freshers who has completed during the recent years, that is like 18, 19, 20, they can very well apply for this position. It's a software engineer position. So you are requested to have a basic education qualification of university graduation. So before we get into the details of this job post, if you are new viewer to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell button next to it so that you will get regular video updates from the channel on a daily basis. Again, so this is a position with world's reputed company Google. So the position is basically based on Karnataka, Bangalore, and of course, currently due to the pandemic, the company is providing almost most of its opportunities as work from home. So this is the declaration here. So due to the ongoing crisis, they have provided most of the work from different locations, as in you have to work from your own location in these cities. So it's open in Bangalore, Karnataka, and Hyderabad, Telangana. So you can work from any of these locations and you can work from your own place, and unfortunately they can't afford opportunities currently out of India. So the minimum qualification, before we get into there, this is a software engineer, university graduate, 2021 start, that's the position name. And then the minimum qualification for this designation required is bachelor degree or equivalent practical experience. So either you have to possess a bachelor degree or equivalent practical experience, as in with Unix, Linux, Windows, Mac environment, distributed systems, machine learning, information retrieval, and TCP/IP. These are all the technical qualifications which they are looking for. You have to be a person holding a bachelor degree, or if you are not having a bachelor degree, of course you can very well apply for this position if at all you got equivalent practical experience. So experience in programming C, C++, Java or Python. Okay, so these are the experience which are being expected for people who are applying for this position. So preferred qualification is master's degree or PhD. So this is not in specific to a person who has to have a bachelor degree. So this is an opportunity provided by Google themselves for people who are open to join them with these skill sets. So about the job is being mentioned here. I've given this particular link on the below description box through a reference website. You can access them, read through them by yourself. However, I'll just take you through the important points in here. So as a software engineer, the next generation so Google software engineer develops the next generation technology that change how billions of users connect, explore and interact with information and one another. Our product need to handle information at massive scale and extend well beyond web searches. We are looking for engineers who bring fresh ideas from all areas, including information retrieval, distributed computing, large-scale system design, networking and data storage, security, artificial intelligence, natural language processing, UI design and mobile. The list goes on and is growing every day. As you know, Google is a growing company. It grows consistently with its technological niche. So they are looking for someone who is interested in joining them with a basic background from these software skill sets which they have requested. As a software engineer, you will work on the specific project critical to Google's need with opportunities to switch teams and projects as you and our fast-paced business grow and evolve. We need our engineers to be versatile, display leadership qualities, and be enthusiastic to take on new problems across the full stack as we continue to push technology forward. I hope this is pretty clear enough as what they are looking for. As a key member of a small and versatile team, you design, test, deploy, and maintain software solution. There is a huge opportunity for any fresher or someone who's starting their career to get into a world leader company. It's a technologically giant company as a key person to actually to design, test, and deploy and maintain a software solution. So that's a huge role for a starter. So you can very well use this opportunity. If you are interested in this university graduate position, try out. Okay, so you can try for this position. So responsibilities, you have to research, conceive, develop software applications to extend and improve on Google's product offerings. So contribute to a wide variety of projects utilizing natural language processing, artificial intelligence, data compression, machine learning, and search technologies. Collaborate on scalability issues involving access to massive amount of data and information. Solve challenges, problems that you are presented with. So of course, it's a huge opportunity, and I hope you guys are pretty clear with the responsibilities being mentioned here and about the qualification requirement and the software skills they have asked for. I've given this detail like the web link on the below description box. You can access it and go through yourself, and as soon as you get into here, you have to click on this apply button, which will route you to a sign in option like this. So you can sign in using your Google account. So, or if you don't have a Google account, you have to create one by yourself. So by clicking this create account for myself, you have to key in your basic details, and then it will take you further for creation of new account. And for persons who already have a Google account, you can directly sign in using your Gmail. So once you log in using your Gmail or a new account which you create, so you'll be routed through this page. You'll be routed here. So you have to, you see the position here, software engineer, university graduate, 2021 start. And here you have to submit your resume, like you have to select a file and upload it. It has to be within 2 MB maximum size, and choose the Google Drive. We automatically, so it will create a copy if you choose a Google Drive. Okay, and then your contact details, your proper legal name, and your preferred name as how you want it to be called, and your country, region where you are, and the city. So currently it's India, and they were looking for Hyderabad and Bangalore. And then state or province, it's Karnataka and Telangana. So in zip code, and then the email address you have to key in, and then if you have any other email address you can add in here, and then your primary phone, okay, has your contact number and any other phone, and your website detail if at all you have any website detail, and then your education status. So if you have attended any university degree program, you have to capture it here. If not, you can select no. Okay, if at all you have a qualification like any university degree, so you can mention the university name, university or college name, and what is the degree you hold, and then your degree status, have you completed or still attending or incomplete, or what is the major you have taken, your major area of study, then the country, region where your institution is located, and then about your work experience. If at all you have any experience, you can mention it as like applying for your first job, no, and then you can select no, and then you can mention your employee details. If at all this is your first job, you can select yes. So your employer name, your job title, and from when to when you were and which region it was, and if at all any other jobs also, you can keep on adding. And preferred location, yeah, of course, whichever you wanted, you can select it here. It can be Bangalore or Hyderabad. And then the cover letter, you have to type in your cover letter, and then as soon as you click the next button, you'll be routed to the further details of the application, where you have to fill in few more details about your like profile, and then your other detailed stuffs from based on your resume. So a few things would auto populate, so which would actually route you to the next phase of the application. So once that is done, you can submit it. So as soon as you get shortlisted, you will hear back from the team. So and then you'll go on with the stuff of rounds, few set of rounds, probably the technical round, and then the aptitude, and then aptitude, technical, and then the project level interview. So once you are shortlisted, everything is online right now. Nothing is you have to walk into the office or something. Everything is online. You can do it, and then if you're shortlisted, you can very well start working with the world's leading technological company, Google. So all the best, guys. If you like this video, do not forget to click that like button, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you think this would be useful for your friends, share it with them. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll be pleased to answer you. So we'll meet you soon with another new job opening. So I've given this link in the description box. You can very well access them and apply for the job. All the best. Take care. Bye.